Hello friends, Kevin here, and today I'm going to be showing you where we stayed on this trip to Japan. This here is a business hotel. The chain is called Appa Hotel, and it is kind of like a no-frills hotel. Everything you need, very, very affordable. Rooms start at in between $70, they go up to $110 if you require a balcony, which I do because I need that constant airflow. The lobby here has a vending machine, an ice machine, and a laundry machine. And let me show you the rooms.
So this is the room. There's no space, or there's just enough space. There's a mirror here, and inside this you have a hairdryer and pajamas, which is very, very neat. Then you have the bed, and then right across from the bed is all of our luggage, and these black bags here have to be shipped. It's stuff that we bought. I'm just gonna hide this. Hide which room number and what our Wi-Fi password is. There's free movies, free VHS. We do have a window, which is neat. This opens up. It gets a little hot in here. The air conditioning and whatnot is centrally controlled here, and so are the lights. So I can control all the lights here. This is our little tiny balcony. Not all of the rooms come with balconies. Ours is a premium room. You could step out. There's not enough room to sit or anything. It's more so just to have air come in. We'll move on over here to the washroom itself. As you can see, bags, shoes, just enough room to hang maybe 2 or 3 sweaters. So pack light if you decide to stay at an Appa. This is the bathroom. I got my Gold Bond and Salon Pause and Tiger Balm. You're going to need all of those things because it does get unbelievably painful. Your feet, your body, the aches are real here. This is a Phillip tub. You move this over. There you go, the water's going. Fill it up to the Eco line and choose your heat as follows. There's also the shower side of things, which is up there, and that shower head is actually a special shower head, an ultra fine bubble shower head. A super amazing shower and bathtub combo. This bathroom looks extremely small, but truly it's everything that you need. Towels, extra towels here, a little rack up here, and the washroom, the bidet, the wonderful bidet, oscillate, sit down front bidet, 3 different types of pressures, and a panic button if you need it. Don't press the panic button. Do not press the panic button. And there you have it. This is the entire hotel that we like to stay at. Small, cozy, very inexpensive, and there you go. My tiny hotel room. I'm gonna go walk a little thumbnail. What's that thumbnail that everybody does? Hand to the side. There you go. There you go. Wall to wall. I can't even stretch out my other arm. Bye for now.